In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a widget for your class schedule. So go ahead and go to your portal and click on your green eClass C&I icon. When you get to the Peachtree landing page, go ahead and find your 2016 core page in the drop-down menu. I'm going to work in my sandbox because I don't have a 2016 grade core page, but it should say 2016, your last name, your grade, core. So go ahead into that. Now we're going to create our widget. So go to Edit Course and find your widget tool. Then we're going to create widget. So first what you want to do is you want to name your widget. This is going to be the title that's on the top of the widget that the students will see. So I might call it Mrs. Campbell's Class Schedule. Okay, and then I'm simply going to hit Save. Just Save, because I don't want to go out of my widget yet. Okay, now click on Content. And this is where you're going to build your widget. Now you'll notice that this workspace looks a lot like the news item when you create a news item or a discussion. So I'm sure most of you already have your schedule all typed up, so you don't want to type it up again. So simply open up your H drive, shared drive, wherever you have your class schedule. So open your schedule, highlight the portion you want to copy, right click, copy, minimize this, go back to your course page where you're creating your widget, click inside and paste. And it should paste right in. Now, I recommend that you do a little editing. Change the size, maybe take away any spaces that you want to get rid of. Okay, once you have your schedule, the size, color, everything you want, one thing that I like to do is I like to highlight the whole thing and put it in the center of the widget. So if you click up here next to the bullet points, it says Align Center, and it brings it in the center, which you may like, you may not. It's up to you. You can also change the color, the font, the size, any features you want to change. Okay, once you're all finished creating your schedule widget, simply click Save and Close. Okay, now you have created your schedule widget. It should be on your list. Here I have Mrs. Campbell's class schedule. That's the one I just created. If you ever want to go back in and make any changes, you simply go to Edit Course, click on Widgets, and it'll bring you here. And you go across to the little pencil, and if you click on that, it lets you edit it. Or if you want to delete one, you can delete it, anything like that. So now that we have your widget, we actually have to add it to your home page, because if you go home, you will see it's not on your home page. So in order to do that, we click on Edit Course, then find Home Pages, and you should have already made a copy in your active home page. It should say your name up here, so we need to find that hyperlink. So click on your home page, your unique home page you've created, and scroll down to where it says Add Widgets. Now you can add your widget in the big space under your classroom, this maroon eClass dashboard. That's your little cute classroom right here. You can add it here, or you can add it in one of the columns. I think I'm going to go ahead and add mine in the first column, so I'm going to click Add Widget. Then I'm going to find my widget. This is Campbell's Class Schedule. Click on it and click Add. Now there is an option if you want to get fancy, you can go ahead and change the maroon color. Simply click on it, and it defaults to gradient. That means you can choose 2 colors, so it could go from like blue to gray or red to purple or whatever colors you wanted. But if you wanted it to be solid like it is now, you have to click solid. Then you come over to custom, and you change it to whatever color you want. Simply hide properties, and then you'll see it's blue now instead of maroon. And you can change the eClass dashboard too if you want. Alright, after you've added your widget, simply click Save and Close. It'll bring you back to your home pages, so go up here and click Home. And if you scroll down under your classroom, you should see your class schedule widget. So that's how you do a class schedule widget.